Welcome back to Grown Up Green. Today I'm back in my community garden and I'm going to get my bed ready for some fall crops. So we'll talk about what plants grow well in the fall so that you can keep eating seasonally all year round, and we'll talk about what plants need in order to survive. So, what vegetables love to grow in the cool weather that comes with the fall? Well, there are lots of different things. You can grow root vegetables like carrots, beets, or radishes. Or you can grow leafy greens like bok choy and my favorite, arugula. Things like lettuce, kale, Swiss chard, broccoli, all of those grow great in the fall. So we're gonna head over to the garden bed and talk about what we need to give these seeds in order for them to grow big and yummy. So, plants, like all living things, need a few things in order to survive and to grow. Plants need water, sunlight, air, soil, and space. Can you say those with me? Water, air, sunlight, soil, and space. So let's see if I can give my plants everything they need right here in my garden bed. You can see there's beautiful, healthy soil. So we're good on that. It's raining right now, so I know they'll get water. Also, I know there's air because I'm breathing air right now. And when the rain clouds go away, it'll have plenty of sun in this location. Now, for space. When you're growing plants in a garden, you get to decide how much space they have. And certain plants need more space than others so that they can reach their full size. And you want them to reach their full size so that you can eat them. So you can look at the back of a seed packet and it will tell you how much space your seeds need so that they can grow big and tall. So my friends, those are the 5 things that plants need to survive. And I think my fall crops are gonna do great. I'm gonna go ahead and plant some radish seeds. I'm gonna look on the back. I need to plant these seeds 1/2 inch deep, and they need 1 inch in between each plant. So I'm gonna spread my seeds out according to those directions. If you wanna plant seeds in a garden or a pot at home, all you need is to poke some holes for the seeds and give them enough space. I'll do 1 row of radishes. This soil needs to break up a little bit. And then I'll just plant 1 or 2 seeds in each of those holes. Sometimes I plant 2 because not every seed will grow into a plant. And then you'll just cover them up with soil, give them a drink of water, and let them work their magic. And pretty soon you'll have some fall vegetables to eat. I hope you've enjoyed this week's Growing Up Green. I hope you're excited to eat some fall vegetables too. Let me know what your favorite vegetable that grows in the fall is. And I'll see you next week. Bye!